Hello and welcome to our latest YouTube review of the Nokia Note 13 Pro 5G. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at this smartphone and what it has to offer. First of all, let's talk about the design of the Nokia Note 13 Pro 5G. It comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it great for watching videos and playing games. The phone has a sleek and modern design, with a metal frame and a glass back. It comes in several different color options, including Mystic Silver and Nordic Blue. On the back of the phone, you'll find a quad camera setup, consisting of a 64-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The camera system is capable of capturing great photos and videos, with features like night mode and pro camera mode. On the front, you'll find a 20-megapixel selfie camera that takes great selfies and is also capable of recording 1080p video. Under the hood, the Nokia Note 13 Pro 5G is powered by a Snapdragon 888 processor and comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It runs on Android 11 with a near-stock experience and is part of the Android One program, which means it will receive regular security updates and new features for 2 years. The phone also has a large 5000 mAh battery, which provides great battery life, even with 5G connectivity. The Nokia Note 13 Pro 5G also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast and accurate. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when you need it. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a great feature for those who still use wired headphones. In conclusion, the Nokia Note 13 Pro 5G is a great smartphone that offers a lot of features and performance for its price. It's a great option for anyone looking for a 5G phone that has a great camera, display, and battery life. If you're looking for a new phone, I would definitely recommend checking it out. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.